Hello, teacher. I'm going to present my speaking test. Don't drink Coke because it's bad for your health, my friend said. My friend suggested me not to drink Coke because it's bad for my health. Sometimes the best part of a dish is what you don't put on it, the master chef said. The master chefs said that sometimes the best part of a dish is what you don't put on it. If they don't go to the school to attend face-to-face classes, I won't teach them anymore, Umber said. Umber said that if they didn't come to school to attend face-to-face classes, he wouldn't teach them anymore. You are very pretty and cute, my aunt said. My aunt said that I was very pretty and cute. Did you study for the science test? My dad asked. My dad asked if I had studied for the science test. Will you take a bath? Because you are starting to smell bad, my sister asked. My sister asked if I would take a bath because I was starting to smell bad. If you take off your mask at school, you will be infected and the school will close, the coordinator said. The coordinator said that if we took off our mask at school, we would be infected and the school would close. He isn't the right man for you, Maria told her. Maria told her that he wasn't the right man for her. Make the dinner today, my mom ordered us. My mom ordered us to make the dinner that day. Sleep early because you have classes tomorrow. My parents ordered me. My parents ordered me to sleep early because I had classes the following day. Thank you.